Introducing the second generation monitor audio installation amplifiers, engineered to drive the most immersive home theaters and advanced distributed audio systems imaginable. The range combines high-performance sound, smart features, easy setup, and superior build quality. Each model features Ethernet and Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing installers to fine-tune DSP configuration and advanced settings using an intuitive web configuration tool, whether accessing on a PC, tablet, or mobile, easily integrating into familiar control systems such as Crestron, RTI, and Control 4. Each model features power sharing technology, which allows the amplifiers to share power dynamically, maximizing the output of each channel without the need for bridging. 70 and 100 volt line support makes the amplifiers ideal for garden systems. Their optimized Class D amplifiers ensure small physical profiles and cooler running, with slim half-width 1U and full-width 2U cases, allowing for high power density and mounting into most racks. With reliable power, total performance and lifelike sound, the second generation integrated amplifiers deliver the very best distribution technology with ultimate flexibility for any installation project.